Welcome to Nature Grabs, everybody. So in this video I'll be teaching you how you can use pro features on CapCut for free, like absolutely free. You don't need to pay for anything, you don't need to subscribe or pay for anything. And before we go into this video, please, I would like if you can help me by subscribing to this channel. It's of great importance to me. Please, I would love you if you can do that. So without wasting your time, let's get into the video. So the first thing we have to do is to open the software, of course. Then you come to settings here. You see this save to, you click on here, then make sure that it's on downloads. You can select folder, click on this select folder. I've already done that, so I don't need to do it again. After doing that, you come to save here. Okay, so let's open a new project. So the step number one here is to bring in the video that I'm using. For this project. Okay, so I downloaded this video from TikTok. So let me play it. Alright, so let's bring it to the timeline. Okay, so now let's begin to use some of the pro features on the app. Let's start by using captions. Okay, so let's use this auto lyrics and generate. Okay, so let's come to the template here. So I can use, let me just use anyone. Let me use, can you see pro here? This particular one is a pro feature, and that's what I want to use. As you can see, that's already changed, right? Let me just increase the size a bit. Yeah. Alright, another thing I want to do is I want to check out if there is any filter we can use with pro features too. Okay, so let me just use this one for the sake of this video. Okay, so for the sake of this video, I don't want to waste your time, so you can choose to add as many pro features as possible, but I'll just end it here. I'll just stop here for now. So the next step now is to select all this thing on the timeline here, all these objects here, by clicking Control A. So after selecting everything, you right click, and you come to create compound clip. Yeah, so after creating that, you right click again, then you come to this place, preprocess compound clip. So as you can see that it's counting here, so you will wait until everything load to 200. Yeah, so once that is done, you can come to okay, so you can come here, download, then click on CapCut, come to resources here, combination, then play. As you can see, the video is fully saved, no watermark, nothing. All right, so what you can do right now is to copy. You can copy this particular video to any folder that you wish to copy it to, and that will be all. So that will be all on today's video, guys. See you in the next video.